Hey guys, babsomotden here, and Oraimo Smart Accessories has updated their JoyWear 2 app with new user interface. One might got confused about this new app. So if you are still using the old JoyWear 2 app, head over to your Google Play Store and update your JoyWear 2 app by searching for JoyWear 2 app like this, and up here by this side you are going to see the update button. So you update it here. You can see open because I've updated this version. So here is the new interface that looks a bit more better than the other version, but all the same it is not bad. If you are just gotten an Oraimo smartwatch, then stick around to find out how to use it this very minute. And if you are new here, a subscribe to the channel will be much appreciated. So there's not much difference between this new JoyWear 2 app version compared to the old version. So I'll be taking you through this app and tell you things to expect. So here you can see the semicircle of each of these things that are represented here. And if you have hit the target step for the day, you are going to see this bar reach to this very end. To the spot here, this is where you get the information of your spot. You can set the target here, the target you want to reach, whether you are going for 5 kilometers or more, and you tap on your start exercising. 3, 2, as you can see 1. Here it says 3, 2, 1 and it starts going. Okay, and you want to stop that, you can see it reflecting there, and if you want to end, you long press. Okay, finished. Oraimo tab here is doing nothing, so it's just for design, as you can see. And the device tab is where you can do the settings of the smartwatch itself. So from here, which is the dial setting, where you can pick to change the dial, just as I have done here on my smartwatch, the Joker face. You have to go to the dial settings. You see some of the default dials that are there by Oraimo, that if you want to change it, you can just select any of them like this and sync them up. Here the monitoring, this is the heart monitoring tab, that if you want it to be auto testing your heart monitoring stuff, device within 24 hours it will have this automatic detection of your heart rate. So, and this alarm, if you want to set your alarm, you come here and add your alarm. Okay, this raise hand to activate display, device will automatically light up when you raise your wrist. So if you want it to raise, fine, that is, you toggle here. If you don't want it, then you can just toggle it here, and you can see it is not coming up anymore. But once I select this option, if I turn it, it's going to turn on. Do not disturb, this is just do not disturb mode. If you want it to ring from social time to time without disturbing, fine. If you don't want it to ring at all within social period of time, then you can come here and do the setting. Here is the universal setting. If you want to use your Oraimo smartwatch to take picture, you can use here. And if you want it to find bracelet, you can tap here. As you can see, it is vibrating. I don't know if you can hear that, it is vibrating. Okay, so here at the call reminder, you can allow that. Once you allow this call reminder, this alerts you on your smartwatch when you have an incoming call. So because this is turned off, if you toggle this option, it will let my smartwatch to alert me when I have any phone call. On SMS reminder, you can allow the JoyWear 2 app and turn on SMS alert. So if you want to get notification on your smartwatch, you can turn it on by selecting the SMS alert and you are good to go. You'll be getting notification right on your smartwatch. And for the app reminder, you can manually pick the notification permission, confirm, and come to JoyWear 2 app and toggle the settings. And once you have done that, you allow. And once you have allowed, you go back. So here you can pick the apps that you want to be getting their notifications here, like maybe Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and WhatsApp, and you'll be getting their notification. Here is the firmware upgrade. You come here and select it just for checking sake. You can see, so latest version available, so it does not need any other thing than this. So if you want to clear the data of the entire app, you can come here to clear data, and factory data reset will clear all the steps and sleep data in the band and application. So you can confirm that if you want it to clear, which I don't want. So this unbind option is just for you in case you want to unbind this current one, and like I have this Oraimo S20 here, so you can just unbind this, then sync this up. It won't confuse the app. Okay, so since I don't want to do that, I click on the cancel, and here is where you can do the proper personal information. Here you can do that. On the psychological circle, here is for the women that you just want this to act as a reminder for your menstrual period. This is a very good portion for you. And here are the common problems in case you have issues with connecting. Okay, well, you can come here and check the common problems to rectify whatever problem is it that you have. And if you need clarification or you have any question, please go down there and comment, and I'll reply you as soon as possible. And if you are new here, a subscribe to the channel will be much appreciated. So I remember Babatunde Omotayo, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.